Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to install a cabin air filter, which is super easy, and a engine air filter, which is also super easy. Now, I got these ones from the dealer, but you can quite often get a very good quality part from an aftermarket supplier for a very reasonable price. So, yeah, if you don't want to get it from the dealer, just do that. And I went to Canadian Tire and they didn't have a good price, so I just grabbed it from the dealer while I was there getting an oil change because my car is obviously still under warranty. So this is a 17 Civic. They started this model in 16. It should run till 20 or 21. I'm not sure when that's going to change over, but these parts and the way they're installed are all very similar between the Honda products. But I'm going to show you the Civic, and I'll show you a CRV the next time. Alright, so you'll work around the camera here. So basically, you lower your glove box and empty it. Take everything out of it. And then you squeeze it on the sides here, because there's these two little release tabs. So you squeeze in like that, and there's actually a cut out in it, so it makes it so it's easy, and you drop it. And then if you look inside, there's a couple of little release tabs, and I'll bring the camera in and I'm going to show you that. Alright, so if you can really see this here, this is inside your glove box. So where I'm shining the light, there's a tab there, and then there's another tab over here. And there's little arrows on it, and you push those tabs in, and then you pull it out. So we're going to do that now. Push those two tabs in, and then just kind of pull, and then this is your cover. I'll show you the cover a little bit better there, and then you can just pull it out. So, wow, that's dirty. Okay, you take your other one that has airflow on it written, so it shows you here arrows, airflow. So what you do is you push this in same way you got it out, and then you replace this. You just push it straight in. It says airflow down. Here's the thing. So you see this? You just got to push these in. Alright, and that locks it in place. So you push those in and pull it out. Here's the cabin air filter. This is after a year, so they get pretty dirty, right? So that's why they have these things, and it's full of leaves and hair and all sorts of crap. So it's good to replace these probably more frequently than I do. So I'll probably do this like every 6 months from now on. Now, so first thing you want to do is pop your hood. So hood release on the inside of your car. Pop that. Over here, you should feel around, and then you can feel the hood release. Lift that up. Put your hood prop up. The hood release is this guy right here. Okay. So you just reach in and swipe it over that way. That releases the hook here, which corresponds to this guy up here. Alright, now air filter. Alright, so it's an 8mm. Let's pop it out quick. Alright, so you unscrew the 4 bolts. Okay, let's show you those bolts. There's 4 bolts. One, there's one over here, there's one over here, there, and one right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just pick it up, and there's your air cleaner. So they said that this was dirty, but it doesn't look very bad at all. So let's just pull that out. So just pull it out with this hand. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow, look at that, it is dirty. So from the bottom it shows that it's really dirty. On the top it looks nice and clean, so you get nice clean air in your engine anyway. So the direction that it comes with, it's got a tab here, and you can see on the top cover there's a tab there. So you got to make sure you put it in the same way you took it out. So there's a long side. That's over here. This side has the two, looks like feet. Okay. And it goes in that direction with the long side over here. Tab here. Tab there. So here's the new one. It's the old one. The difference in how they look. So just move this out of the way. Put this in. Should fit in nicely. Set this down. There's a circle around here. Gotta make sure that circle is in. Push it down, and then you can tighten these up. So be careful. I'm going to use an impact driver very gently. Because it's only an 8mm, so it'll be easy to oversize. So you don't want to do that. You just want it tight, okay? And you can tighten that by hand after. So with just a screwdriver, so not a big deal. Here, I'm going to check that with a screwdriver just to make sure it's down all the way, but not to kill it. All right, there, good. Just tight. Looks good. Beautiful. So it's in all the way, it's seated fully, and then that's it. We've switched it. Alright, so there's a lot of like routine maintenance things that are super simple to do. Anybody can do them, like changing your air filter. You know, some of the older cars it's easier to change your oil. The newer cars have like a pan cover at the bottom of the car, and that can be a little more difficult to work around. And they're getting more complicated, so some people aren't really comfortable doing that. That's fine. My car is still under warranty, and while it's under warranty I get the dealer to service all that warranty type stuff. But simple things like brakes and air cleaners and things I'll do myself. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching.